friends, we can see that the oil has started to ooze out. So the last thing we want to add is the crushed fenugreek leaves. You can crush it in your hand, or you can, so we'll just add these dry fenugreek leaves, and this just adds another level of flavor. So friends, let's marinate the chicken first. So we'll do a very simple marination. For that we'll use some olive oil, just a little bit. And then we'll use some ginger paste or grated ginger. And some garlic paste. A little more garlic paste than the ginger paste. And some coriander powder. A little bit more. Some Kashmiri red chili powder. This gives it a good color. And some garam masala, just a little bit. And the last thing I want to add is some cumin powder. Okay friends, that's it, and then we'll mix it well and marinate this for at least a couple of hours. So friends, it has been around 2 hours since we marinated the chicken. So now we are going to not pan fry, but we'll first air fry this chicken. So we'll give like 12 minutes on each side. So 12 minutes on 375 degrees. So I have flipped it over, so we'll give another 12 minutes. So friends, our chicken is air fried now. So it looks great. And it looks like tandoori chicken except for the smoky flavor. So now we will prepare our sauce. So friends, for our sauce I've taken some butter and some olive oil, and then a very important ingredient of this sauce is choti ilaichi. So first you want to add at least 3 or 4 choti ilaichi in it to give a good flavor. And a lot of people, they skip this, but the ilaichi gives a great flavor. And I took 1 large onion, so we are going to saute this a little bit. We don't have to brown it, so we just have to saute it a little bit. So friends, I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. So we already have some ginger garlic paste in the chicken, but I'm adding just a little bit more. A little bit more garlic paste. So friends, now we can add the tomatoes in there. So I took four small tomatoes. we can cover these and cook, so it will cook faster. So we want to make them till they are mushy, and then we will blend them. So friends, another thing I want to add in is some cashew pieces. So this also gives a good flavor to the butter chicken. So friends, now the tomatoes are mushy, so we can blend these now. So we'll blend these and make a puree, and then we'll go from there. So friends, I made a puree of the onions and tomatoes. So in the same pan I took some more butter and some oil, and we'll add some more Kashmiri red chili for color and some coriander powder. And now we'll add the puree in here. So you can strain it, but I'm not going to strain it. I leave the fibers in there. And then I'm going to add the chicken also in the puree, in this puree that is cooking, because we air fried the chicken, so it's a little bit crispy. So if we add it now, it will become tender. So that's why I added that. And we'll cover this and cook it for a few minutes till the oil starts to oozing out, and then we'll add our cream and garam masala in the end. So friends, it has been cooking for a couple of minutes, so I'll add some garam masala now. Like a teaspoon. And we have to add one more thing later, is the dry fenugreek leaves. So friends, now we are going to add some whipping cream in it, the heavy cream, whipping cream. You can add as much as you want. You can add a little bit or a lot. And I'll cover it again and cook it for a few more minutes, a couple more minutes after adding the cream. Okay friends, so it has been a few minutes, so let's take a look. So friends, we can see that the oil has started to ooze out. So the last thing we want to add is the crushed fenugreek leaves. You can crush it in your hand, or you can, so we'll just add these dry fenugreek leaves, and this just adds another level of flavor. So friends, this is it then. This is our recipe for today, butter chicken. I hope you like the recipe. Definitely try it. It tastes really good, and you can add some more fresh cream on the top. So friends, I hope you liked the recipe. If you like the video, then like it, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And you can have this with naan or roti or even rice. Okay friends, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.